So hello everyone, in this video I am presenting the assignment of ICT on the topic of digitization and the changes in different aspects by it. So let's start. First of all, what is digitization? Basically, digitization means the process of transforming information into a digital form, like what we scan our old images or text to make its digital copy. Now look at the changes made by digitization in different aspects, like digitization helps in industries and digitization helps in education sector. It also helps in changing the mindset among the business leaders and also helps in the economic growth of the country. Digitization also helps in the social welfare, like in conducting the surveys, and the most important, it helps in the creation of jobs. Now I will be discussing about the digitization in modern scenario. It helps in ensuring the sustainable future for the child and also helps in the spreading the awareness during the COVID-19 pandemic. During COVID-19 pandemic, it helps in the students not to stop their study after COVID related so many complications. Digitization played a vital role in fighting from the current crisis. Somewhat digitization helps in protecting the environment to using the paperless system. Also, UNGs mark digitization as the boon for achieving the sustainable developmental goal. Now, digitization in India. India is now second fastest digitizing economy and is increasingly recognized as the global force. Here are some initiatives which form a part of Digital India. The first one is DigiLocker, which was launched as an important facility to store crucial documents like government documents and personal documents. Now second one is mygov.in. This portal works as an online platform to keep eye on the governmental program. Now the next one is eSign framework. It allows to sign digitally using Aadhaar authentication. Now the next one is national leadership portals. And the other one is e-hospitals. Now elaborately looking at the DigiLocker. Let's see. DigiLocker is the flagship initiative of the Ministry of Electronics under the Digital India Corporation. It enables paperless documentation. Now take an idea about how DigiLocker works in the following diagrams. DigiLocker has many benefits, like citizens can now submit their documents in paperless mode through DigiLocker while applying for the passport services. Now we are looking at the objectives of DigiLocker, as DigiLocker reduces the administrative overhead. Digital transformation. Issued documents available via DigiLocker are fetched in real time directly from the issuing agency. DigiLocker provides secure document gateway, as it only provides the verifier with the consent of one citizen. It provides facility of real-time verification, as we can verify our driver license by using our phone itself. Now look at the advantages of DigiLocker. DigiLocker provides the e-signature facility. It also helps in fighting with the major drawbacks of Indian democracy, that is with the corruption. Private cloud storage. By using DigiLocker, you can't lose your data and no one can hack your information. The major drawbacks of DigiLocker is that only the users with the Aadhaar card can avail the feature of DigiLocker, and the person who have the internet access can use this feature. Now if we talk about the overall conclusion of this digitization, is we can only say that digitization helps in the development of the nation. So thank you very much for watching this.